full. Our closest that
Fucking
makes
run.
a mess.
Yeah, and I don't know how much is in it.
You're getting safe, Tim's.
Oh, Jesus Christ. Give me some more towels. Fuck. Fucking cocksucker dishwasher. I'm gonna tell you what, fucking goddamn dishwasher, man. Everybody I fucking knew all growing up fucking did the shit by hand. Why we gotta have a motherfucking goddamn dishwasher? Fuck this shit. I'll rock the fucking floor of the house out before I ever get this fucking place finished. Fucking goddamn dishwasher shit. Fuck this.
We come out with it now?
Yeah, it'll come forward, but the fucking braided line is on the front of this son of a bitch somehow, and I don't know how to fucking get in here. I don't remember how the fuck we did